Welcome, everyone, and thank you for joining me today. If you love simple, delicious snacks that bring people together, then you're in the right place. Today, we're making Puff Puff, a golden, fluffy, deep-fried delight that's popular across West Africa and loved all over the world. Soft on the inside, lightly crispy on the outside, and absolutely irresistible. Let's get started. Before we begin, let's take a moment to prepare our ingredients. Having everything ready makes the cooking process smooth and enjoyable. For this recipe, you'll need all-purpose flour, sugar, active dry yeast, warm water, a pinch of salt, and vegetable oil for deep frying. These are simple ingredients, but when combined correctly, they create something truly amazing. Now, take a clean mixing bowl and pour in your flour. Add the sugar, followed by the yeast and a pinch of salt. Using a spoon or whisk, mix everything together thoroughly. This step is important. It ensures that the yeast and sugar are evenly distributed, which helps the puff puff rise properly and taste consistent throughout. Next, slowly add warm water to the mixture. Make sure the water is warm, not hot, as hot water can kill the yeast. As you add the water, stir continuously. You're looking for a smooth, stretchy batter, thicker than pancake batter, but not too stiff. Take your time here. A well-mixed batter is the foundation of soft, fluffy puff puff. Once the batter is smooth and lump-free, lightly cover the bowl with a clean cloth or plastic wrap. Now comes one of the most important steps, fermentation. Place the covered batter in a warm area and allow it to rest for 45 minutes to 1 hour. During this time, the yeast activates, causing the batter to rise and form tiny air bubbles. This is what gives Puff Puff its light, airy texture. After resting, the batter should have doubled in size and appear bubbly and elastic. That's how you know it's ready. While the batter is ready, let's move on to frying. Pour vegetable oil into a deep frying pan or pot and place it over medium heat. Allow the oil to heat properly, but be careful not to overheat it. Oil that's too hot will brown the puff puff too quickly on the outside while leaving the inside raw. Oil that's not hot enough will cause the puff puff to absorb excess oil. A properly heated oil is key to perfect puff puff. Once the oil is ready, gently scoop small portions of the batter using your hand or a spoon. Carefully drop the batter into the hot oil. You'll immediately see the puff puff begin to rise and expand. This is exactly what we want. Fry in batches to avoid overcrowding the pan. Use a spoon to turn the puff puff occasionally, allowing them to cook evenly on all sides. Watch as they transform into beautiful, round, golden balls. This process takes just a few minutes per batch, so stay attentive. Once the puff puff is evenly golden brown, carefully remove them from the oil. Place them on a plate lined with paper towels to drain any excess oil. At this point, the puff puff should feel light, soft, and perfectly cooked. And there you have it, fresh, fluffy, homemade puff puff. Serve them warm as a snack, party treat, or street food favorite. They pair perfectly with soft drinks, tea, or chilled beverages. Whether you're cooking for family, friends, or customers, this recipe delivers consistent, delicious results every time. Thank you so much for watching. If you enjoyed this recipe, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more amazing food content. Until next time, happy cooking and enjoy your puff puff.